But if you close your eyes.
Hello everybody and welcome back to the Tech Wizard channel. This is Nate here, and in this video today we're going to be reviewing the Sadie's Blade Mail gaming mechanical keyboard. Now this keyboard is really nice. The keys are mechanical and they have blue switches, if you were wondering, and if you know about keyboards then this is pretty good. I think it's like the step down from red switches, but for the price is really good. It comes in at around $50, and yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox this thing. This is in a really plain, just round box. All it has is a logo and the K8. That's like the model number or something, I think. And then on the back you've got a drawing there of the keyboard. As you can see, it's not really a picture, it's just kind of a drawing, and as you can see on the right it's got the numpads, and then that little thing with the dots is like a little light thing, as you'll see later when we take it out. This is just the specs. If you really want to look at it you can pause it and look at it, but I'm not going to go over them in this review. Okay, well just keep in mind this is a voiceover, so I'm doing the voices afterwards, so I'm not going to really have much to say in some parts. Like, I don't really want to sit here and talk about opening the box. I can't really narrate over that, but yeah, I'm opening the box and pulling out the keyboard. There's really not much in this box. The Sadie's was really plain with their keyboard design. Is it pronounced Sadie's or Sades? I don't know, comment below if you know, but it's just really plain. Literally, it's the owner's manual, the keyboard in the styrofoam package thing, and then there's a box with the cable in it. And if you're wondering, the cable is about 3.5 feet, I think. I'm not sure exactly, but I'm pretty sure it's 3.5 feet. And it's a really nice braided cable. I really like it, and it's blue, so it will definitely go well with my setup. So yeah, you can see the keyboard there. It's black, and yeah, this cable, like I said, is about 3 feet, and it just comes in a little box and a package, a little plastic package. But yeah. That's pretty much it for the cable, and you can see it again there. And yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and unwrap it then, I guess. And I guess I'll go ahead and turn around the keyboard and show you guys the front. Now there's that bottom plate there. Oh yeah, there is the owner's manual. As you can see, it basically just tells you how to change the lights, and the rest of it is in Japanese, so we don't really need that. But yeah, the bottom plate here, right there where I'm touching, is made out of metal with the words on it. That is metal. As you can see, it says ultra thin metal. It feels really nice. I don't know why I like it so much. I just really like the feel on your hands. And the keys themselves are plastic, but that bottom there, the white part, that's all metal. The black part is metal. It's mostly metal, so it's decently heavy. So if you're gonna be taking it places, this might not be the keyboard for you. But yeah, it's really it's just a really nice keyboard in general. A really strong design. It should hold up. I don't know why you'd be dropping your keyboard, but if you ever drop this one, it probably would be okay. The keys are really great. I'm gonna do a sound test in a minute, but as you can see there, yeah, I'm just kinda trying to show you. Sorry, my fingers get in the way, but the blue switches there, they feel very nice, and the keycap distance is very low, so or they're very high. And it just gives you a very good typing feel. I've been using it for a few days now, so yeah. Okay, this is the keyboard when it's on my desk with the LEDs plugged in, or rather the keyboard plugged in. And as you can see, if you haven't noticed yet, the font is actually different on the keys than most keyboards. I kind of like it. You might have to get used to it, but I like the arrow keys and the shift keys. There is also a breathing mode, which I will show you in just a second. It basically just flashes the colors in and out, and to change that on and off, you do the function escape key, which also controls the brightness. Here is the breathing mode. That's pretty much all there is to it. Next I'm going to go ahead and do the sound test, so I'll just type on it and you guys can listen. Thank you guys so much for watching. This was Nate here with the Tech Wizard channel. That's pretty much all I have to say about the Sadie's Blade Mail mechanical blue switched keyboard. I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave a like and a comment if you did, and maybe even subscribe if you check out my other content and you do like that. If you have any recommendations for items you would like me to review, or games you would like me to play, or any tech videos in general, make sure you just leave a comment or shoot me an email. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you next time.